The best thing about this camper that I love truly is the leg room for the driver and the passenger. So incredibly comfortable. Yep, the Mercedes, they do it right. They give you a ton of leg room, very comfortable driving. Okay, Dad, so we want to start the vehicle. Any tips? This is a diesel.
When you first turn it on, I don't know if you noticed right up here, there's a little glow plug thing. I haven't turned it on all the way. There. A glow plug thing. When that goes out, you can start it.
Because it's a diesel.
And it's a diesel, yes.
A Mercedes diesel. Okay.
New batteries.
New batteries.
All the way around for the whole system.
Oh, we got new batteries in January, didn't we?
Yes.
Okay. I told everybody we had everything inspected in January of 2024. Got an oil change. The roof was totally cleaned and checked for leaks. There were none. We had 2 new covers put on up above, and all new batteries.
And right here is the panel for the slide out.
Okay. As you can tell with the slide out, I mean, you get a lot more space. Now with the awning out, it really gives you extra space as well. They suggest that you can keep it out, but when you go to bed, bring it back in, just in case it gets windy or whatever, but you should keep the awning in while you sleep.